Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to utilize and find the split flicker effect. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then scroll down to find the split flicker effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. Now once it's there, we can actually add it to any part of the clip or elongate it to fit the entirety of the clip. So with it being highlighted, we can go up to special effects and mess with the glow, the speed, and the stickers. Also, you want to make sure that if you're doing it for a Instagram Reel, TikTok, or YouTube Short, you want it to be by 1916. And now we can press play and see the effect. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.